Today I am making Bob's Burgers New Baconings Burgers from the Bob's Burgers Cookbook, and then I'm making it better. So for these ingredients, they're pretty standard, except for the burger patty, which is my own burger patty that I'm using. You can use whatever you want. If you want to find a link to mine, check out the description box below. I find it easier to just put the bacon and the burger right in the air fryer and just cook them together, as they take about the same amount of time in order to have the correct cooking length that I'm looking for. The original burger from the Bob's Burgers Cookbook, it is a good bacon cheeseburger. It's got your tomatoes, got the red onion in there. The cheese is great. The burger patty itself is great. But I would do things a little bit different. So let me go ahead and show you what I did. So for my ingredients, I'm using all of the same from the original recipe, but I'm gonna add some pickles, and they gotta be spicy pickles because you can't ever add too much heat. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of veggies, because to me, every burger needs just a little bit of sauce to enhance the flavor. And then finally, the other part of that is that this is the new Baconings burger, right? And so you need to have bacon, not 2 strips of bacon like in the recipe, but you need to know that bacon is there. To me, when I'm having bacon in a burger, it's easy for pieces of the bacon to fall out. Well, if you weave the bacon like I did, it keeps it all together. It's almost like adding another meat patty in there, but it's bacon and it holds together perfectly. It's simple, just cooking everything together. The onion, the burger patties, and the bacon, they'll all finish at the same time and it'll be ready to go. So there's the new Baconings burger from the Bob's Burger Cookbook. And these are absolutely fantastic burgers. Burgers that would certainly make Bob Belcher happy. You have the original from the Bob's Burger Cookbook. It's tasty, it's good. And then you have the but better new Baconings burger, which certainly that's the burger that Bob's gonna be eating. It's absolutely fantastic. You got double bacon, you got double burger patties in it, the roasted onion, as well as weaving the bacon together to make it hold and stay in place. It's great. It's a great burger. Add in some spicy pickles and some veggies, and you have one delicious burger. So everybody, this is burger number 1. Hope you enjoyed it. I got more coming back at you again real soon. I'm your friend with food benefits, and I will see you again real soon with another great recipe.